I have a very cool video to show with you from the Tesla Fremont factory where you can see a drone operator kind of chasing the Tesla Cybertruck as Tesla is testing the Cybertruck on its Fremont test truck. As you can see, Tesla Cybertruck zips around Fremont test truck after leaving Gigafactory, Texas, and we have had videos Tesla Cybertruck leaving Gigafactory, Texas. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and also please follow us on Telegram if you have Telegram. Join us there to stay in touch. The Tesla Cybertruck zipped around the Fremont factory test truck on Tuesday after leaving Gigafactory, Texas, and drove over the past week as the automaker is evidently preparing the vehicle for initial deliveries soon. For the past week, we've been tracking the Cybertruck's trek to various locations around the United States. A hauler filled with potential release candidates was spotted on Fremont factory property last week, and they appear to be unloaded and undergoing testing by Tesla engineers. Earlier today, Matt God in Wilderness YouTube channel, a Fremont factory drone operator, captured the Cybertruck zipping around the test truck at the factory. Cybertruck is here for battery endurance test, the description of the video says. It's a cool video and you are seeing a segment of it, but I will have the full video link in the description of this video, and my thanks to the YouTube channel operator Matt God in Wilderness. What an interesting name, by the way. Last week, Tesla started transporting Cybertrucks on haulers to various locations. Some went to Fremont factory, others went on the road to what appears to be the northeastern U.S. Tesla now, the NHTSA, responded to actually Tesla Radio's request for comments. Neither Tesla actually nor NHTSA responded to Tesla Radio's request for comments, but crash testing seems to be underway on the Cybertruck, as I have reported before. Some Cybertrucks were already crash tested in Northern California, likely at the Fremont factory where Tesla operates its own crash testing lab. The NHTSA operates a transportation research center in Ohio, and as the Cybertrucks were spotted on I-55 in Missouri, this would be on the ideal routes the pickups would be on the get to the Ohio facility. The test truck is a great indication, says Tesla Radi, that Tesla is performing perhaps the last steps before deliveries begin. By the way, speaking of deliveries, in my last YouTube comments, there is one person who says he just received communication from Cybertruck. I will have the link of that video. Actually, we at TorqueNews.com prepared the story on that, and I shared the screenshot from our Twitter account, which is actually currently it's called X, and you can see that. So apparently, I cannot verify this, but apparently some people are already receiving some type of communications. These are probably people who are the very early Cybertruck reservations holders. Cybertruck has not received a certificate of conformity from the EPA, which is ultimately what allows the car to enter the stream of commerce, as it is a certification that it abides by the government's rules. Tesla is still working through what is likely the last government hurdles for the Cybertruck to be released to the public. However, the final regulatory hurdles are not stopping the company from preparing for the delivery event that it talked about earlier this year. Over the weekend, Tesla Cybertruck promotional footage was being shot on a glacier in Iceland, indicating that there may be some awesome videos planned to announce deliveries. Tesla may be preparing some interesting videos for the Cybertruck delivery. Anyway, this is the good news that Tesla is actively testing the Cybertruck. Let me know, friends, your thoughts. What do you think Tesla is doing with Cybertruck? When do you expect the delivery event to be? Where do you expect the delivery event to be? I mean, where do you think Tesla will hold the Cybertruck delivery event? At Fremont or in Gigafactory, Texas, or maybe somewhere else? Let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, everyone. I'll see you soon in our next report. Earlier today, I had breaking news that Tesla Cybertrucks are imminently ready to be delivered to employees. That Tesla employees will be the first people to receive the Cybertruck, and that Tesla will deliver the tri-motor and dual-motor Cybertrucks. Now we're learning this afternoon more news that Tesla Cybertrucks are leaving Giga Texas in flux. Welcome back again, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel and for breaking Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And also follow us on Telegram if you have Telegram in your social media platforms, and I will have the link of Telegram on this video screen. But as I'm about to report why Tesla Cybertrucks now leave Giga Factory Texas in flux, I want to bring few questions for your considerations, and please let's discuss them in the comment section below. Where do you think these Cybertrucks are going, and what does this mean for the timeline of initial Cybertruck deliveries? What I mean, what are the challenges that Tesla still needs to overcome before starting mass production of the Cybertruck? And what are the implications of the Cybertruck's production for the electric vehicle market? Imagine Cybertruck is produced and they are leaving thousands and thousands to the market. What are the implications in your opinion? So what we're learning is that Tesla Cybertrucks continue to leave Gigafactory Texas in flux. Tesla Radio reports this afternoon as video of more units heading out of the company's production facility in Austin, outside Austin, are shared on social media now. The begging question continues: where are they headed and why? This is why I just asked, where do you think they're headed? To showrooms? To Tesla delivery centers across the nation? I don't know. And for what purpose in these quantities? The Cybertruck has been in development for nearly 4 years, and Tesla is finally making consistent and persistent headway on the project, inching near initial deliveries of its first electric pickup truck. More Cybertrucks were spotted leaving the Texas factory this morning in droves, actually, as we have seen in earlier reports. The process of vehicles leaving Gigafactory Texas has been going on for roughly a week now. Last week, several Cybertruck units were spotted at Tesla's Fremont Factory in Northern California. Speculation is driving rumors in all different directions. Some believe these first Cybertruck units are being set aside for high-level employees. Others believe initial deliveries are going to be for those in Northern California. As of right now, there are no permits or filings for Fremont that seem to indicate an initial delivery event that Tesla plans on having in Q3. In past vehicle release instances at Fremont, Tesla has had filed for permits to hold the event there. Tesla filed permits for the Plaid delivery event as well as an employee appreciation event just afterwards. So far, no permits are filed by Tesla. Now, where do you think Tesla will have the delivery event for Cybertruck? In Fremont, in California General, or Austin, or maybe somewhere else in the United States? Leave me your comments in the comment section below with your opinions, friends, and let's see what do you think, and for why do you think it will be, for example, New York, Boston, Florida, maybe somewhere else where we haven't seen Tesla event before. These have not been filed, at least not yet. And while Fremont is where many Cybertrucks are ending up, Giga Texas is where they are built. We'd expect the event to take place there, right? But I'm thinking maybe Tesla would like to have or hold an event somewhere where it hasn't had event before. The Travis County Commissioner's Court has not referenced a Tesla Cybertruck event in the past 2 months. Tesla Radio reached out to the Travis County Fire Marshal, which detailed the Giga Fest at Giga Texas for them last year. Tesla applied for these events on February 18, 2022 and received approval in early March. The Giga Fest was held on April 7, so no event registered. Then where are these Cybertrucks going? Travis County fire marshals didn't immediately respond to Tesla Radio for comments regarding mass gathering permit filed by Tesla for a Cybertruck delivery event. Because of the flock of Cybertrucks heading to Fremont, Teslarati says we're prone to believe the event might be held there after all. Do you agree with that? Why yes, why not, friends? It seems more likely based on volume alone, but there is still a possibility that the automaker Tesla could hold an event in Texas by year end. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report.